Working procedure in our technician Tura workshop, Tura Mega Automotive, Tura Meghalaya. This is the working condition of our technician, Mr. Joshim. Look into.
Hello, how are you?
Let's see.
Hello, hi. I am very busy right now. Please don't disturb me. वीडियो गला क्लियर हो बुझो
हाँ एकदम क्लियर Let's look.
अब फटाइली